YouTube, Dustin here. So I'm going to show you how to make a basic circuit. I made quite a few circuits on my page already, but I haven't actually showed how to make a basic circuit. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with some jumpers, a 9-volt battery, breadboard, a 1K resistor, and your standard LED. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start now. Alright, so what we'll do is we're going to start with, move the LED over to the positive section. You can place this anywhere along the top line or the bottom line, but I'm going to do it on the top. Okay, so positive's in. Struggling a little bit here. Okay, so your resistor's in. And the reason why we put a resistor in is because if you hook this LED up directly to this battery, it'll fry the LED. You'll get a really bright flash, and then the LED will burn out. So, at this point, we're going to hook the jumpers up. So what we're going to do is plug it into the negative on the bottom, and then we're going to hit the negative down here. So as you can see, what I did here is I hooked these lines go in a well, they go up and down, and these ones go across, but the brace in the middle breaks the connection between the two sections. So what we're going to do after that is to make sure your resistor is out of the way. You don't want to cross that out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place the LED. If you look at an LED, if you buy it brand new and it's not been refurbished, such as taken out of equipment or anything like that, you notice you got a short lead, and then you got a long lead. The long lead is always your positive, and the short lead is always your negative. Or for, say, we'll go with ground or negative. So I'm going to insert this positive to negative, as so. Now you don't have to use a 1K resistor. You can use, see, when you measure the resistance for an LED, it usually comes out to about, I believe it's 390, somewhere in there. So the standard we use is like 470, somewhere in that area. But I'm going to use a 1K resistor in this demonstration. But as long as you stay around the 3-400 range, you should be okay. Other than that, you might burn up the LED a little quicker than you want to. Okay, so after you get everything put on the board, you can connect in your negative, and then once you hit positive, you have light. So that's how you make a basic circuit, and that's all there is to it. You can swap out this resistor, try different resistors. It'll dim out the light if you put in too much. If you put too high of a resistance in general on the resistor, you might not get light at all. As you've seen in my previous videos, you can put transistors in and make the light do many different things, such as put in a photoresistor as well, and you can base it off of light fluctuations. So if you turn off the light will go out. If you turn on the light will come back on. There's also ways to do it so that's opposite. You turn out the light goes on. You turn off the light, you turn on the light, and the light goes off. Alright, so that's how you make a basic resistor, basic circuit, sorry. I'm going to film 2 videos today. We're going to do another one right after this based on solar. I'm going to show you guys a solar demonstration of how solar works. But either way, that's how it works. Alright, thank you very much.